Hey everyone, just a very quick video to show you how much more powerful Bing has become ever since they integrated AI into this. For me, it has basically replaced Google. I actually really love Bing now, just simply because it gives me the information that I need much quicker, much faster, and in a lot of cases, a lot more fun. So let's go ahead and test something out. Give me the differences between the iPhone 14 and the S23. Do so in a story format with two personas. There we go. So this is, the result page that we see here is what we are used to, right? A bunch of links, a bunch of articles, but it's not giving me what I exactly want. So I'm going to click on chat here. And once I do that, it's going to come up with the story. It's going to create two personas. And then within that story, it's going to highlight the differences between these two phones. So this is a story about Alice and Bob. They both love technology. They always compare their phones and try to convince each other to switch brands. And here it's basically giving us the differences. So that's fun, but let's click on stop responding and let's type something else. Give me the differences in a tabular format. And once I do that, it's gonna now create a table, and within that table, it's gonna give us the differences between the iPhone 14 and the S23. Usually it takes a while when you ask it to create a table. I expect this to be much faster in the future, but there we go. That's the table that I asked it to create. Once it has done that, and let's just assume that I made a decision, it's going to be the S23. I can go ahead, for now I'm going to click on stop responding. I can go ahead and ask it to, where can I find the S23 at its cheapest current price? And now it's going to browse the web. It's going to see where it can locate the cheapest price for it, or find an article where the cheapest price is stated. So let's give it a couple of seconds. And there we go. May vary depending on the seller, etc., etc. Here's a table generated based on some of the search results I found. So now it's showing us, you can get it from Amazon for this price. It gives us all the different versions, the storage. These are all unlocked, and this one is actually 100 euros if you purchase it, $100 I should say, if you purchase it with the Neo 8K TV. These are, of course, the sources from where this information is pulled from. So if I click on BGR, I can see that it's 700 euros for an unlocked phone, and I can go ahead and buy it. So a lot more powerful than Google. This is, again, giving me information that I need, and you should try it out. Who knows, you might love it a lot and replace Google.